Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your shipments with FedEx, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your shipments with FedEx, start by accessing the FedEx website. Look for the tracking option on the home page. Click on it to open the tracking page. You will see a field to enter your tracking number. Locate the tracking number on your shipping receipt or confirmation email. Enter the tracking number into the provided field and click Track. In a few seconds, the shipment details will appear on your screen. Review the shipping status, which may include in transit, delivered, or exception. If your shipment is in transit, check the estimated delivery date. For more detailed information, click on the shipment for a breakdown of its journey. You can also sign in to your FedEx account for personalized tracking options. If you don't have an account, consider creating one for easier tracking of multiple shipments. For shipments sent to a business, you may find additional information under the business portal. If you encounter any issues, look for the help or customer support section on the website. You can reach out to FedEx customer service for assistance via phone or chat. Keep your tracking number handy when contacting customer service for faster resolution. Once your shipment has been delivered, check for a delivery confirmation email in your inbox. If you didn't receive an email, verify your spam or junk folder as well. If there are any discrepancies, document them and contact customer service promptly. By following these steps, you can easily verify your shipments with FedEx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.